We can now move on to printing in the BetterPrint software. BetterPrint allows us to access multiple functions of the printer from your computer, and is the software we'll use to print all of the images created in RIN. Across the top you have your function buttons, Print, Adjust, which allows you to print a nozzle check pattern and a vertical alignment, the Clean function, Left moves the printhead left and right to the right, feed the film forward through the printer or back through the printer, or move the printhead back to the home position. On the left hand side is your function bar. We'll go through this in order and start with Task Manager. This gives you access to your computer's directory, and it's where we'll select our work folder and the images that we've created in RIN. If you double click on the image you would like to print, this will open up in your task set. This will then add the job to the print task at the bottom left hand corner. In Task Set, we can change the Y page to change the amount of copies of the print we wish to print. You can change this to 10, 100 or however many you need. We'll leave this on 1 for now, and the other settings that are within here can be left with their defaults. From there we'll change the X margin. We recommend leaving this at 35 and then selecting Save. We then move to our print set, and in here we need to change the colour bar to ensure that it is on. Click right or left to move it to either side and ensure the colour depth is set to big. The width can be left at 1, and we recommend having the gaps set to 20. With that done, click Save, and we're ready to start our very first DTF print.